Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tandoori chai at home. This is a new and unique smoky flavored sizzling tea. This hot cup of tea came into existence from Pune. More than the taste, it's the unique process of making that has been getting the chai lovers hooked to the flavors of this chai. It's time to get over the regular tandoori kebabs because tandoori chai has made its way to the foodies affair. So let's get started. For making this sizzling cup of tea, I have taken sugar 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, tea leaves 1.5 teaspoon, a small piece of peeled ginger, 1 green cardamom. You can add any other ingredient of your choice, whatever you like in your tea. Water, I have taken less than half a cup. Milk around a glass of milk. And the important tool for this chai is the earthen pot or simply a colored cup. I'm taking this earthen pot. I have washed and sun dried it before using. Now moving to recipe. Now in a pan I have taken milk and I have turned on the flame and we have to bring it to boil. So once it starts to boil, we will add water. Basically we need very less or no water for this recipe. Then I'll add tea leaves, green cardamom, ginger and sugar. You can skip sugar if you don't like, or you can add any other sweetener of your choice. And we have to bring it to boil and keep it on low flame for some time. Meanwhile, on a low flame I have kept this earthen pot. We have to heat up the pot and heat it on all sides. We will keep it turning. It will change the color on its surface. It's done in tandoor, so here we are doing it on the stove. You can see that it has started changing color on the surface because of the flame. I'll keep changing the sides. Meanwhile, the tea was also ready, so I'll turn off the flame and strain it and keep heating up the earthen pot. It takes around 10 minutes to heat it up on all sides. Once it's hot on all sides, like extremely hot, I'll place it in a bowl. Now I'll pour hot strained tea into the earthen pot. The tea will bubble and ooze out of the earthen pot. This tea has a charred goodness. This tea is an amazing concoction of smoky taste and earthy flavor, and it's a must try for all tea lovers. After a few minutes, pour it into serving cups. To give it an authentic touch, I have served them in colored cups. You can serve them any cup of your choice. Give this tea a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Subscribe, like and share, and keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.